Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first open the settings. Now find and select accounts. Meanwhile check if you've got your network connection active and select Add account. Click on Google. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Then mark Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. And as only it is on, select Next. Here, mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Select Next. Go through all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy, and select I agree. Here, customize if you would like to activate your backup or no. Select Accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark and select Remove Account, then just confirm it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.